Hi guys, I'm back with another look, and this look is going to be a natural soft glam look. I like doing this look a lot. It's one of my favorite looks, and I thought I would just create it for you guys using the ELCIE Cosmetics Minimalist palette. Now taking this light brown, I'm just gonna apply that into my crease and kind of build up my the color intensity. Taking that dark color, I'm gonna apply that into my crease very slowly just to define a little bit more. And I'm just going back and forth between all these colors in the palette, just kind of building up the intensity instead of applying too much where I'm just there blending forever. And I really want to define my crease because I have hooded lids, so here I'm just going in with like a bigger pencil brush and just really defining that crease and just kind of shaping my eye and giving it a shape. Going in with the lighter shade, I'm just cleaning everything up, and I'm gonna take in that brown shade and apply it all over my lid just to kind of soften up the eye look and blend it into the other colors as well. Taking in the lighter shade, I am going to apply that in my inner corner eye just because it's going to blend and open up the eye really nicely. Now I'm just going to smoke out the bottom lash line using the darker shades so you guys can see. Now taking my Fenty liner, I'm just going to hide any glue that's visible after applying my lashes. Just going to apply some primer. This is a nice primer. It doesn't really work, but it's nice. Now, Dose of Colors foundation, one of my favorite foundations. This foundation lasts all day long. It does give you coverage. It's buildable. It doesn't get cake up. It doesn't get oily. Looks like skin. Matches my olive skin tone. I mean, come on. This is going to be one of my favorite everyday foundations. And look at the glow that it's giving me. Like, come on. Everybody needs this foundation. It didn't break me out. I normally am very sensitive to all kinds of products, and especially liquid foundations, but this one didn't put me out. Now going in with my Tarte Shape Light Beige Concealer, I'm just gonna conceal and highlight a little bit more. And I am using the Dose of Colors Beauty Blender. This is a nice beauty blender. It blends everything really nice, and it doesn't absorb a lot of product. Going in with my ELCIE Sheer Press Setting Powder, I'm gonna set that concealer. And the reason why I like using this powder is because it's mineralized and it sets really nice where it doesn't create any creases or gets cakey. And it doesn't enhance any texture. It just sets your foundation really nice where your makeup still looks like skin. So now taking that powder, I'm just gonna blend it all over my face and set everything nicely. I will go in with the ELCIE Cosmetics powder and just kind of apply it a little bit more under my eyes to really highlight that area and really set anything else that needs to be set, because the other powder sets it nicely, but then I sweat a little or I might get oily, so I really want everything to be locked in. And this powder is also really nice because it doesn't enhance skin texture. And going in with that pressed powder again, you guys do know this powder is for under eyes, for bronzing, for setting your face. So I'm gonna just bronze up my face using this powder, and I believe it's in medium. Now taking the MAC blush taupe, I'm just gonna contour a little bit and create those shadows around my cheekbones where it makes me look naturally contour, not like I actually contour. A softer contour always makes you look more feminine than more manly. Becca Blush Songbird is such a beautiful color. I'm just gonna apply that on my cheeks, and then going in with the Smart Jacobs lip liner, I'm just gonna outline my lips. And now I'm going to go in with Kylie Cosmetics Close Matte Lipstick. This lipstick is pretty, but I hate this formula, so that's going to go out the window soon. NYX Cosmetics Sand Store on top of it to soften it a little bit because the other lipstick was too mattifying for me. And I'm just going to overline and set with my ELCIE Hydrating Enhancer. And here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy the soft glam look, and I'll see you guys on my next video.